Namaskaram to all the beautiful ladies in the house. Welcome to Brand Mandir. Today I'm at Jubilee Hills Road number 56 and I brought you the beautiful collection of Penny Crepe. As you guys know, Daisy View Expo flat 25% off is running in our Jubilee Hills Brand Mandir store. Don't miss out the collection. Please come and shop. And I would love to share that we have beautiful fine silver Rasmai jewelry collection. Very lovely and elegant. Very pretty, right? We have two stores available in Hyderabad, that is one in Jubilee Hills, another one in Banjara Hills. So let's start with my sari. The lovely Binni crepe sari in the bottle green color. Very lovely color. The overall body of the sari. We have a beautiful floral jar pattern in a golden zari. With lovely, beautiful animals, elephant, deers. Very pretty. This lovely sari has a very beautiful contrast border in a red color with contrast pallu with mango paisleys all over the pallu with floral draw pattern and golden zari. Very lovely. This beautiful sari has a very contrast blouse. To shop this lovely sari, take a screenshot. The item code is ML501. The actual price of the sari 16,630, and after the 25% off, we are getting the sari at 12,470. And send it to our WhatsApp number, that is 733 Let's go on to another lovely Benny Crepe sari. Pretty pink color, nude pink color. The overall body of the sari, we have floral jaw pattern along with the lovely peacocks, elephant, deer motifs all over the body of the sari. Very lovely color with self-designed border along with the beautiful contrast pallu. The overall pallu, we have lovely mango paisleys. Beautiful contrast blouse, blue color blouse. Very pretty combination. Let's see the present details. Code of the sari ML522 and the price of the sari 11,280. Let's move on to another lovely sari. Very elegant peacock green color. 3-step sari. The overall body of the sari, we have lovely golden zari vertical line along with the mythology characters in the middle of the sari. Beautiful cows, gomatas, along with the beautiful running border. Very elegant. It's running pallu along with the running blouse. Very elegant color. Now to shop this beautiful sari, take a screenshot along with the item code, that is code of the sari ML523, and the actual price of the sari is 18,699. After the 25% off, we are getting the sari at 14,020. And send it to our WhatsApp number, that is 733 Now let's move on to another lovely Benny Crepe sari. We have a very dark shade, very lovely color, beautiful pink color. The overall body of the sari, we have vertical zari lines with zigzag pattern, dot pattern, line pattern. So many beautiful patterns we have all the body with lovely contrast border. Very pretty, right? With contrast pallu. Wow. Beautiful leaf motifs all over the pallu. Very elegant contrast blouse. Let's see the price and details. Code of the saree ML521. The price of the saree 11,180. Let's move on to another lovely saree. Wow, very elegant color. Gorgeous grey. The lovely color we have in the house, ladies. The overall body of the saree, we have beautiful horizontal dotted silver zari lines along with the self-designed border. Beautiful mini crepe. Saree has a lovely running pallu. The beautiful running blouse. Very pretty. Let's see the price and details. Code of the saree ML504 and the price of the saree 10,390. A beautiful ethnic reddish color saree. The overall body of the saree we have floral job pattern along with the lovely animals motifs, that is elephant, deer, so many beautiful birds are there along with the contrast border, green color border with lovely contrast pallu with mango paisleys, with floral job pattern. Very elegant contrast blouse. To shop this very lovely saree, take a screenshot along with the item code, that is code of the saree ML520. Actual price of the saree is 16,740. After 25% off, you are getting it at 12,560. Before moving on to lovely saree, would love to share we have cash and delivery only available in Hyderabad and global shipment. No matter which part of the world you live, we deliver the beautiful sarees to your doorsteps at no time. So let's go on to another lovely saree. We have a pretty pink color in Benny crepe. This beautiful border has a checks pattern, box pattern. This lovely saree has the flower motifs all over the body. Very elegant with self-designed border in golden zari. Very lovely color along with the running pallu, the diamond shape pattern, flower motifs. Beautiful blouse. Now let's see the price and details. Code of the saree ML519 and the price of the saree 11,000. Let's move on to another lovely saree. We have very beautiful ethnic color, yellow color in a Benny crepe. Very lovely color. Let's have the closer look of the body. The beautiful body have a floral job pattern in a golden zari. Very beautiful and elegant along with the contrast border. It's contrast pallu. It's very lovely ethnic red color contrast blouse. To shop this lovely saree, take a screenshot along with the item code, that is the code of the saree ML524. The actual price of the saree 16,740. After 25% off, we are getting the saree at 12,560. And send it to our WhatsApp number, that is 733 Very beautiful, lightweight, easy to carry. Very lovely color, brown color saree. Let's have the closer look of the body. This beautiful body have a floral job pattern in a print. Lovely Benny crepe saree has a very lovely body along with the contrast border. Beautiful contrast pallu. Now let's check the blouse. This lovely blouse, very lovely peacock green color blouse. Let's check the price and details. Code of the saree ML494. The actual price of the saree 9,580. After 25% off 7,190. Let's move on to another lovely sari. Oh, very pretty, very elegant. Double color sari, triple color sari. This lovely body has a beautiful blue, off-white and grey color lines, highlighted with golden zari lines and flower booties, with contrast beautiful border, along with the contrast pallu. Beautiful contrast blouse. Wow, what a pretty color. Now let's see the present details. Code of the sari LI201 and the price of the sari 11,620. So let's move on to another beautiful sari. Lovely Benny crepe sari. Very elegant, very pretty pink color. The overall body of the sari we have box shape pattern, alternative peach and dark pink color, highlighted with golden zari booties, flower booties. This lovely contrast border, along with the contrast pallu. Very beautiful, lightweight, very elegant, with lavender color, contrast blouse. Now let's check the present details. Code of the sari ML525 and the price of the sari 12,970. Let's move on to another lovely sari in a Benny Grip collection. Very elegant yellow color. Let's have the closer look of the body. This beautiful body has a floral jaw pattern. It's a golden zari. Very elegant. With self border. Along with the running pallu. It's very beautiful yellow color blouse. To shop this beautiful sari, take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number, that is 733 Let's move on to another beautiful sari. Wow. Lovely pink color Benny crepe. This beautiful body has a very lovely vertical line silver zari, along with highlighted with dot booties all over the body of the sari. Very beautiful, along with the self border with floral jaw pattern. Very lovely and easy to handle, lightweight, running pallu, along with the beautiful blouse. Let's see the present details. Code of the sari ML5266. The actual price of the sari is 14,360. After 25% off, you are getting the sari 10,770. Let's move on to another lovely sari. Beautiful, very elegant, peacock green color, easy to handle, very delicate work. The overall body we have checks pattern in golden zari. Very beautiful, along with a lovely contrast border in a copper zari. Very gorgeous pallu, contrast pallu, along with the contrast purple blouse. Very pretty. Now let's check the price and details. Code of the sari LD910. The actual price of the sari is 13,990. After 25% off, we are getting at 10,490. Let's move on to another beautiful sari. Wow. Very elegant color. Red color. The overall body of the sari, we have very beautiful vertical lines along with the floral jaw pattern in between. lines. Lovely, beautiful, different color pattern lines we have all over the body, along with the contrast border, green color border. The border is highlighted with booties. Very pretty, with contrast pallu. The diamond shape pattern. Very lovely green color blouse to red color sari. To shop this beautiful elegant sari, take a screenshot and send it to our WhatsApp number, that is 733 Now let's move on to another lovely sari. Wow. Lovely pastel brown color. Very beautiful nudish shade. The overall body of the sari is highlighted with silver zari lines, dot lines, along with dot booties. This lovely sari has a self-designed border with floral jar pattern. Very pretty and elegant sari with running pallu, along with the beautiful running blouse. To shop this lovely sari, let's see the item code. Code of the sari ML506. Actual price of the sari is 14,360. After 25% off, we are getting the sari at 10,770. As you guys know, we have flat 25% off is running on in the Jubilee Hills Brand Mandir. So please come and shop. Now let's move on to another lovely sari. Very beautiful pure mini crepe sari. This overall body of the sari is highlighted with dual color, gray and blue color, with beautiful silver golden zari lines with golden zari flower booties and contrast border. Very pretty, very delicate work along with the contrast pallu. Lovely flower booties along with the leaves are highlighted in the top of the pallu. Very beautiful. I loved it. With contrast blouse. Very elegant. To shop this beautiful sari, let's check the present details. The code of the sari is LD896. And the actual price of the sari is 16,710. After 25% off, 12,530. Let's move on to another lovely color from today's Penny Crepe collection. Very beautiful red color. The overall body of the sari, we have checks pattern in golden zari along with the contrast lovely border. Very pretty border we have in the green color. The contrast pallu, green color pallu with golden zari horizontal lines. Very pretty green color blouse. Let's check the price and details. Code of the sari LD892 and the price of the sari 10,490. Not but last least, let's move on to the lovely last collection from today's Penny Crepe sari. Gorgeous green we have, ladies in the house. Very beautiful, very elegant. We have all over the body alternated golden and silver zari. The golden zari, we have floral jaw pattern highlighted with silver zari flower booties all over the body. We have lovely diamond shape pattern, self-designed border in a golden zari with lovely running pallu. Very elegant and pretty in the diamond shape pattern, along with the very beautiful running blouse. Very elegant color. Let's check the price and details. Code of the sari ML527. Actual price of the sari 16,630. After 25% off, we are getting it 12,470. What you guys waiting for? Just come down to the Mandir, Jubilee Hills Road number 56 and shop the beautiful collections from today's Benny Crepe. For now, this is the collection what I have. Again, next week, I'll come back with another lovely collection. Till then, namaste.
Hi. Now, I've been shopping with Brand Mandir for a very long time. It's been nearly more than 5 years I've been shopping, and I've got very good collections over here. Especially, I've been coming to Kajagoda from the day it has been opened. I've got very good offer prices, and the staff over here seems to be very comfortable and very welcoming. Thank you.